Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm Ben Verhoek. We're back here at Pastime Tattoo, and you're watching Tattooing with Ben. Today's video, we're going to talk about preparing for the holiday season. Now, in most places, the holidays can be the slow season because people are spending their money elsewhere. They're traveling, they're buying gifts for their family and friends. So they're not spending money on tattoos like they normally would. That could be detrimental, but if you recognize this and you're able to prepare for this, you could really turn this into a good thing. And I'm about to show you how in this video. So without further ado, let's fucking do this. So like I mentioned before, the holiday season in a lot of places tends to be the slower season because people are spending their money elsewhere. But that doesn't mean you can't be productive during this downtime. You know, all the time that you're not tattooing, you could be productive and start painting a lot more flash. Instead of looking at it as the slow season, what I like to do is look at it as the painting season. The more you paint, the more tattoo designs you have to offer, the more content you have to share with people. The way I like to see it is that's exactly like fishing. The more designs you have, those are the bait. The more bait you have, the more of a chance you're gonna get a bite and reel that fucker in, and next thing you know, you got a client ready to get tattooed. So definitely use that time wisely and paint, create more designs, push those things. Another good thing to do for the holiday season, it's actually something you should do before the holiday season, maybe like September-ish. Look at the calendar from that point until the end of the year. Mark all the major events. Halloween, Black Friday, Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, all that stuff. And even though people are trying to spend their money elsewhere during these things for gifts and stuff, it might be a good idea to provide gifts to people. Holidays could be a goldmine for tattooers if you plan it properly. For instance, Halloween, maybe you paint some Halloween flash designs and have a Halloween flash day where people can come and get it for like a little slight discount, or maybe even not a discount because people love getting Halloween designs anyway. And next thing you know, you got a real busy day and make a good amount of money and build your clientele, win-win. And all this flash you're painting, boom, Black Friday rolls around. Black Friday, that could be a whole nother flash day. Maybe do a bunch of black and gray designs. Flash days are kind of exciting for clients, and that just means more money in your pocket. And if you're painting flash, that's a good way to get them to come get those tattoo designs. And then around like the Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa time, something that we do a lot at our shop is holiday toy drive. We get like the Toys for Tots bin, and people could come donate toys with a receipt. And what we do is, if you bring the receipt in, we'll match the amount that you paid for the toys and put it on a gift certificate. And what that does is guarantees that they're going to come back and use that to get a tattoo. And usually the amount that they donate isn't really that much, so you're not taking a huge hit by getting paid with a gift certificate. It's just another way to get more people to come in during the slow season. Another good thing to plan to do before the holiday season is to set some money aside while it's busy, so that way you could start making some merchandise, making some prints of your paintings, making some shirts, making any other kind of apparel, tattoo flash books. Another good thing you could do to help push these things is set up a web store, you know, using like Shopify or something like that. Because then you could start selling those things not only to your local clientele, but people all over the country. If they see you on your Instagram and see stuff that they like, and you leave a link for them to go to your web store, boom, next thing you know, you're selling prints, you're selling shirts, you're making some supplemental income when the tattooing is a little bit slower that time of year. And that just goes back to like the Black Friday and Cyber Monday things. When you have a web store, you could offer little discounts on that stuff too. And as long as the discounts doesn't make it to where the money that you're getting for the products is less than the money it costs to make those products, you're still making a little bit of a profit. A, you're making some money. B, people are becoming more aware of the products that you have, and you could kind of snowball that into more clientele for your products as well. And as I mentioned before about gift certificates, that is huge during the holiday season, especially during like the Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa time of year. People aren't spending so much money on tattoos because they're spending money on gifts. But what if they come to you to get those gifts for people? You know, if they have family members who know they like to get tattooed, maybe the gifts that they come get are gift certificates. Because that would be great, because not only are they buying gift certificates as gifts, that also means they're going to come back to spend that gift certificate on you and get tattooed, which is going to help you do some tattoos and make some money during the slow season. Year after year, it happens every time. Like a day or two before Christmas, people come last minute, they haven't bought stuff for their family, and they're like, oh shit, it's last minute, I need to get something. And what do? Easy peasy. They come to the shop, they get some gift certificates, and they are done with their shopping. And gift certificates for a tattoo shop is usually a really, really cool gift to get. So they score points, they win, you win, everybody wins. Another cool thing to do during the slow season is Maybe you run a contest or a raffle where you're giving away products or free tattoo time or anything like that. Like for instance, a tattoo giveaway contest is a good way not only to generate some business, but it's a good way to grow your clientele. So like, let's say for instance, you want to give away a palm-sized tattoo. It won't take you that long to do, so it's not like you're working a ton for free. The way I like to set it up is on my Instagram, I'll announce that I'm doing a tattoo giveaway, and to enter, you got to do this. You got to follow me on Instagram. You got to tag, like, I don't know, 3 friends in the comments, and that just means those 3 friends are probably going to see this and tag 3 more friends because they want to enter, and then those 3 friends are going to tag 3 more people, and so on and so forth, and that just snowballs your clientele base a little bit. And then, I don't know, you let that go on for about a week or so. You tell them when you're going to pick the winner, and you could tell them they can enter as many times as they want, and each time that they tag 3 more people in the comments counts as an entry. So at the end of the week, when you're about to pick the winner, you go online, you find a random picker generator. I know there's a better term for that. I forgot what it was. Plug in all the entries into the generator. It picks them randomly and you announce the winner. Oh, congratulations, so-and-so won. But that doesn't end right there. You find all the people that entered and didn't win and you message them. Hey, thanks so much for entering. Unfortunately, you didn't win, but because you took the time to enter, I'm gonna give you this, I don't know, 10% off, 20% off your next tattoo. And this is the important part, if you book it within the next week, 2 weeks, month. And that's important that you say that last part because you don't want to offer that and then have them come back like a year later and be like, oh, hey, remember I got this 20% off from hella long ago? And you're like, oh shit, yeah, I guess I gotta honor that. And if you don't honor that, you kind of look like an asshole or a scam artist. And by offering them a discount, it's like, to them, it looks very nice, like you didn't have to do that. And it's a very generous thing of you to do. And what that does is it incentivizes them to come in and get another tattoo. And that just helps you get more tattoos during the slow season. And then if you're running a raffle, you could take some of your paintings or tattoo time, gift certificate, t-shirt, anything like that, have a prize, 2 prizes, 3 prizes, you know, first, second, third place, anything you want to do, you know, make an announcement on Instagram. Hey, I'm running a raffle, you know, give them your Venmo information or something like that. Give me $10 per entry, as many entries as you want. And people will send you $10. People might send you $100 for 10 entries. Next thing you know, you got a whole bunch of money stacked up. Once you pick the winner, kind of the same thing. The people who didn't win, hey, thank you so much for entering. Unfortunately, you didn't win, but here's, you know, 20% off your next tattoo if you book within the next couple weeks. And it's cool too, because all of those raffle entries, you get instant money in your pocket right then and there. And it's especially good if what you're giving away is less than the amount that you get in the raffle, so that way it's like a net profit. When it's wintertime, prepare, plan it all out, paint, push your products, maybe throw a contest or 2. You'll find it'll be a little less shitty during the slow season. And speaking of painting flash, I made a video of me painting flash where I kind of explain how I do things. You can find it right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Go outside, nerd. Get out. Go. I ain't got time to be distracted by your worthless chime-ins. Go on. Tell this sumbitch to walk the fuck out right now, or we done for the day. Go on.